Hi, how's it going, guys? Just want to have a very quick chat about fire detection and alarm system upgrades. So, typical life expectancy of a system, say Apollo heads, something like that, Zyton heads, is about 10 years. This is the product lifespan of these things. Don't panic, there's an awful lot of systems out there that are much older than that, and there's obviously systems that are much younger. But there's one of these things that, as a system owner or the end user of a system, is that you need to be aware that there is actually a lifespan to this equipment, and eventually you're going to need to do some sort of upgrading, whether it's phased over time, or if you find that you're now 20 years into a product life cycle and the equipment that you're trying to maintain is either no longer fit for purpose, has completely passed its useful shelf life, or is just not functioning the way it should, false alarms, unwanted activations, and unable to get the support on the products that you have there. So we've an awful lot of experience. Typically in the last few years, we've had some big pharma plants where we've helped them migrate from legacy systems to a newer version, and we've a lot of expertise there in terms of running for short periods of time dual systems. So one particular site that springs to mind here is we migrated a Kentech system with Apollo heads to a Morley system. They wanted to change out the panels. The two networks aren't compatible, but we were able to use some of the instance DNA network analyzers and get two networks running on the same cable, which allowed us to have dual fire alarm networks as we systematically upgraded the 20 panels across the site. So we had 10 panels running on one network and 10 panels running on the other network, independent of each other, so that no aspects of the site were completely without protection during the upgrade process. So we can do these kind of things. Typically, we're very good at these, the complicated, how are we going to do this? We have some really good engineers on staff here who can apply their brain power to these things and come up with a really neat solution that keeps your building, your plant, your hospital protected while you're doing your phased system upgrades. And it's probably something, if you're dealing with a legacy fire detection alarm system and you're looking for advice and guidance on how you might actually progress to something newer, talk to us. We have the expertise and we can help you with that. Thanks very much.